In this video, I want to show you how you can optimize a bunch of products at once with scenarios. In Simpson, you click on scenarios, and second, what you do is that you click on the plus to create a new scenario. For example, you created scenario optimize product X. You can name it yourself. You can make it a private scenario if it's only visible for you. For now, we don't do that. And here at the top, you see the current scenarios are created. So this is the second scenario we are creating. Then you click on next, and here you can filter on product performance. So for example, we have all the products imported, but we want to make selection for this bunch. So for now, we can do it on margin, like the top X products on margin, revenue, order lines, quantity, or average price. For now, I want to have the top 20 products in order lines. I click on next, and you see again some filters. You can filter on invoice date. For example, you want to have a typical year or a typical month. And you see here all the invoices that are imported. You can also filter on products. There are almost 7,000 products imported. So you can choose on brands, you can choose on product main group, whatever you want. There are 70,000 customers in this data import, so you can also select the customer. In total, there are almost more than 600,000 order lines in which you can use for optimization. So what we do then, if we have the selections made, we click on determine products, click on OK. This can take a while. You can see here the status, so it's working, it's actually determining the products. And after a few seconds, the status is actually changed, so the products are here. So we have now the 20 products which are defined. And what we can do next is that we can actually apply the business rules on it. So we click on business rules, and for this bunch of products, I want to have at least 20% margin. For now, I don't want the quantity decrease, but I choose for a maximum price change for 10%. Exploration is a bit of a technical term, but it means that the exploration in price elasticity, for now we skip it. This is a function to actually determine the outlier removal. So if you have a really high price or a really low price, it's automatically ignored to have a proper and realistic and clean data set to make the optimization on. So that's what we do as standard now. Next, we can have an elasticity method. We choose the linear method, which is a standard linear. It's by default is the most suitable model. We click on optimize for margin instead of revenue, and we choose a time frame. You can choose a time frame for week or month. If we choose it for month, we have less data, for example, because there are less months in a year. And if we have the weekly time frame, we can have potentially more data because there are 52 weeks in a year. And then we click on Run ML Optimization. Okay. And it's actually now running, so it takes a while to get the right products. Sometimes you have to click on refresh. You see it's working now. 2 of the products are now finished. And when they are finished, we get a notification. So then we go to the products, and here's actually the list of products which are optimized. So you can here click on an individual product if you want to have the analysis we described in another video, explained in another video. So you can here on a micro scale analyze the product. What is the optimal price? And here you see all of them. You can also export this data to see it by yourself or to import in the tools. And this is actually how you optimize all the products at once. And from there you can select one specific product to analyze more in depth.